In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best monoprice discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for monoprice discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. And for example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount right here, all you have to do is select your coupon code. And this is your promo code. You can copy this one from right here and apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. Also, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some different promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. And for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount, all you have to do right here is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply copy this promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.